After leaving Three Rivers State Park in Florida, we drove to Alabama. I was so excited to have lunch. And what better place? With the Beaver, Buc-ee's. I know this seems like it's a pilgrimage for RVers, so they stop at Buc-ee's, but literally this was our only choice. From leaving the park we were at, we're heading to Alabama, and this is the first place we saw to go get something to eat and get gas. Thing about Buc-ee's is you can get lost. My husband had to call me. He's in the car already, or the truck already. I just paid for my food. And there's so many people, so much activity, so many cash registers, and then the food just makes you go back to the food and look at it again. So I spent $34. I was just supposed to be coming in here getting a sandwich. So anyhow, that's Buc-ee's. And the bathroom is the cleanest bathroom I have ever seen. Very nice bathroom. I was going to show you guys, but that's kind of bad to be taking a video into the bathroom, so I didn't. It was the cleanest bathroom I've ever seen. After our lunch, we drove Meaher State Park, which is in Spanish Fort, Alabama. It was really nice. I was impressed when we came through the gate by spacious RV sites and the beautiful bay view that you can see right when you make that turn. You can see the fishing pier, and it was just very nice. Very, very nice. As usual, the gate guard showed us where our site was. The wind was blowing, so he had to go get a sturdy one. So that was funny. Then he showed us where our site was, which was very easy. It's a nice, easy park to get around. It's not confusing at all. One side of it is a pier and bay views, and the other side it's not. So we made it to our second destination. This is Alabama. Don't ask me where. Our site is backing up onto the water, and then we're going to hopefully go for a walk later and see a sunset. I'm so excited. We got here in plenty of time to be able to relax after we put our tent up. So we just got our spot, and look what's on our table. A painted rock. I remember my friend was doing these. Free spirit. That's cute. So we have a whole bunch of space, but we're going to have to put our tent over here because there's not a lot of grass, which is nice, but we need grass to put our stakes and stuff in. So we will be pitching it over here under the tree. Let's watch John put up the toilet tent. We just got done putting up our tent, which is the similar idea. It's a pop-up. Look at that. I wish you saw it come out of the bag, but I jumped on this phone too late. It's a shower and a place for the commode. Because you never know how far the restroom is at a park from where your site is. And John got tired of walking. For me, I already had a toilet. I showed you guys that years ago. Look at one of my old videos. I showed you what I have. But this one is fancy because we can use one section for the shower. So that's great. We don't have to worry about what the accommodations look like, how clean they are, having shower shoes, none of that. There's a floor there already. So Now it's short. You can see John. But he's going to be raising it up so it's a decent height. The only thing is it going to hit those trees? We'll see. Waiting for a sunset. We're supposed to be able to see a sunset from this spot. There's people down there already sitting in their chairs waiting for the sunset. Hopefully we'll get a good one too. Well, we were cooking, or I was cooking, and then John took over, and I missed the sunset. I kept on looking over here, but I didn't see anything. I think the clouds were in the way, but this is still beautiful. Our neighbors have a parrot. I don't know if you can hear it. And listen to all the traffic over there. We're going to hear that traffic. But that's okay. I sleep with earplugs. In fact, this constant sound of traffic is going to help me sleep. It might drown out snoring. Still beautiful. This is Meaher State Park. And it's in Alabama somewhere. And that's our setup right there. John's eating. There's our tent. And there's our toilet tent. The toilets are right there. But I bring my own. And John brings his too. Now he has, we could both share, but you know, I got mine, he has his. Look at this, beautiful. But the other tent has a shower part, so we do use that one together. And I'm not going outside in the middle of the night. That's why I have a little thing for myself inside the tent. I guess that's too much information. We can hear the birds in this grass here. As long as they stay inside, I'm okay. Oops. Meaher State Park has a 300-foot fishing pier. You can see it as soon as you come in the main entrance. It has over 115 sites. It has a nature trail. It has a laundry room. It has cabins that you can rent, and it also is set up so nicely with the big space between you and the RVs. And in the back are the brand new private shower or bathhouses or private shower rooms. It's a wonderful RV park, and we hope to go back. Now let's talk about the traffic. You got I-10, or it was called Jubilee Parkway, I think. That's right across, and you can hear the traffic when you're at the site views or Mobile Bay views. But just the whole scenery, having the birds, it was very peaceful and tranquil despite the heavy traffic. So I wouldn't let that keep you from going. It's a very nice RV park in Alabama. We really enjoyed it. So we're packing up the tent to our third stop, and This little guy is trying to come on the trip with us. Look, notice that he's orange and black. So he goes with the tent. But no, sir. You will have to hop away. So this is his last voyage on the Orange Road because I'm going to brush him off right now. Sorry, Mr. Man. You got to go. Going to brush you off right now. I'm not touching you. I'm brushing you. Thank goodness for Cracker Barrel. They have RV spots, so we have a place to stop and get breakfast. Now that we have a trailer, we never know if there's enough room to park. So we're going to Cracker Barrel for breakfast. This is a nice big one too.